Imagine you with dark eyes every night, counting up your sins. I keep a list and checking it twice. I know where you've been, I smell the sin, and you're looking nice.
Hey YouTube, this is the OYI professional massage gun costing $129 on Amazon. Let's get started unboxing the box. First thing first is the standard stop sign, where OYI brags about how much better it is compared to its competition. Then we get a folder containing booklets. The first book is the user guide. Then we have illustrated massage techniques based on muscle groups, ailments, and workouts, which is pretty neat. Here's one example, using the bullet head to massage your hands. Then the softball head for massaging your calves. Another book on ailments. And another book based on activities. On the right side of the box, you will find the flathead massage head, the soft round edge, the charging cable, and then the charging stand. And then we have the hardcover case containing the massager, the fork head, and the bullet head. So this is the massager. It is of solid construction, weighing only 1.3 pounds, with an MP35 proprietary brushless motor. It has a force of 40 pounds, a depth of 10.5 millimeters, and has speeds up to 3,500 repetitions per minute. Included is a candlestick charging stand, but you can always charge without it. On the full charge, the massager holds 4 hours of battery life. You can watch my old review on the Kiker mini massager and decide for yourself which one to buy. I personally prefer the Kiker, just mainly due to its smaller size. The OYI is larger and more powerful, but I think the Kiker is already sufficient. In addition, I am a fan of electronics being charged with USB-C. Keeps things convenient and unified since all of my products are already being charged by USB-C. Well, let me know what you think in the comments below. Have a nice day.